Is your website helping your business grow or driving customers away? A slow, outdated, or generic website can cost you valuable leads every single day. Your website should work as your best salesperson, available 24/7. At Wezoid, we build custom web development solutions designed specifically for your business, not one-size-fits-all templates. Whether you're a startup, SME, or enterprise, we create websites that align with your goals and deliver measurable business results. Our services include custom business websites, powerful web applications, secure customer and employee portals, website redesigns, and ongoing maintenance and support. Need an e-commerce platform, a business automation system, or a customer self-service portal? We develop solutions that improve efficiency, enhance user experience, and support long-term growth. Every project is built for speed, security, scalability, and seamless performance across all devices. Our process starts with understanding your business, industry, and customers. We then design, develop, test, and launch a solution tailored to your needs. Even after deployment, our team continues to provide support, updates, and optimization to keep your website performing at its best. With custom web development, your business gains greater flexibility, stronger security, better integrations, and a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. Ready to build a website that actually grows your business? Contact Wezoid today and let's create a custom web solution designed for success. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business, technology, and digital growth insights.